guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in those kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell. So it's guys, Sunday! Yes, it's Sunday and we have here with me Sassy Shan. So guys, I'll link her channel down below, so go and subscribe to her channel. So yes, you see me with a glass here. It's not wine, it's apple cider vinegar, but let me tell you what's gonna go down. So you guys see from the title, it's going to be a do what I say video. So we have a bag of stuff. I don't want to put this down because I don't want to throw it. We have a bag of stuff and we're going to choose from it.
I pray that you get the apple cider vinegar.
But anyways, we have here a lot of stuff. So without further ado guys, let us get into the video. So we're going to allow the guest to try first.
Jesus, not the mustard.
Let her get the mustard. Jesus, make sure get the mustard.
Neither the vinegar.
Jesus! You hurt me. Mustard.
Take a pinch of mustard after.
So
we have
something here. Nah, don't remember that things. We have something here, so me now make sure take more than a pinch. Come on, it's not that bad.
There's a touch of people. See pinch there?
No. Yeah, wish why shake your peel and all these things. Come, let me squeeze it. Well, you have to carry it there, see it. Come, hold it up.
What if we don't want to do it? What if we do?
No,
give me one thing to do.
It's called do what I say.
Do it.
I said it. Shani, just drink it. No, put it while I say your mouth or you're going to regret it. Come, put it while I say your mouth. Come now.
It looks like dude.
Should I miss this?
Yeah, yes, do this. Honestly. Alright.
You're not done. You're not done.
No.
You're not done.
Me done.
It's your teeth. Next. Miss, help me now. I have something in my hand. Why this look like take a shot of cheese?
I couldn't me get that. Let me do it for you. Come on, get all the tears out of me. Let me do it for you.
No. I mean, I do it. Come. Hey, what if I saw this now?
Why? Me don't know only eat mustard. The mustard that run my belly.
Nobody don't need it. Nobody don't need it. Give me lime juice.
Lime one day better.
So what?
It is with water. You are a challenge.
How for you?
What about it? Call a family member and tell them you are I'm a phone.
You don't know, but call somebody.
I'm a phone.
Oh, well, let me have phone then.
Go for my phone for me, Rita. Come here, go call mommy and tell me say me pregnant.
No,
what did you
mommy did it already. Mommy no say it's a challenge. No, because Jay can't be in it either. Can't be the land either.
My nephew. No, better yet, let me call Nash. She will believe. It's ringing. I'm calling Nash. My niece. Yes, see? Don't. Nash.
Yeah?
I'm pregnant.
Well.
She was like, whoa.
She's
alright,
supposed to call and
people, but anyway, moving right along.
Drink a shot of apple cider vinegar with water.
Man, take this.
You know that bad man, so I normally drink this all the while, but just saying. Cheers.
Yeah.
It reached your throat round.
Come. Me no want that pencil drawing something there.
I want to get it.
Yeah.
Dance to your favorite song.
Hey!
What song?
Me not a song. Or my favorite song.
Let me take you dancing.
Yes! 2 steps to the bedroom.
Get up. Get up.
Yes,
get up. Go. Let me take you dancing. Two step to the no more. Alright, I'm not done dance so. Alright guys, next. Please don't make me get it dry and something on the forehead. Let me see it. Draw a flower and color from it. I'm beg you one crayon there.
Wait, are we gonna draw it with?
Oh, my pen. The teeth, my pen.
I say if you draw
a flower from my forehead. Wait, me not supposed to see, so I will turn to you. Or me fill up me eye.
Woo, that's easy. Watch ya. Too easy, man.
Wait, crayon. Crayon me. Mommy, oh God, pencil crayon.
There's her favorite color, darling.
Me a colorize?
You don't have to tell her.
Yes, wicked.
You know what's going on?
Why?
There's a favorite color now, darling.
Wicked.
You know what's going on? Where
We done. This come like our baby do it. No sir, it not even show.
Give me the other
Yeah,
one.
kinda show. It look cute. Come girl, your turn.
Jesus.
Yes man, use
Use
your
your
toes.
toe. Did he say which toe?
Nope.
Right.
But I'm ready. Quick idiot, don't quick idiot. What you supposed to write?
My name.
Me dancing on name
I
alright.
suppose I did make two alone. Me have me no must can write my name.
Yeah, but you don't practice.
Two no.
Ray, may I see the S and the H?
The A now go far must come good. Alright, the A. Me multi-talented, you know. But so me can
Turn it
write.
around, your name, Shani.
Rita!
Mommy, oh God,
Rita!
oh gosh,
Shan,
mommy,
me
oh
alright.
gosh. That wicked.
Sit there.
Yes.
Right, good people, look. See? They can't even see nothing. What happened to
Go
your
on, go up,
camera?
go up. There we go.
Right.
Yeah, it's a go on, it's a go on.
Yes.
That can go on.
Can't say me never do it.
Another one paper left.
Thank God.
Tear it into.
Yes, it's 12 you can't do this. Lord, sing a verse from the Bible. Remember now thy creator in the days of thy youth. While the evil days we should have seen you one when
That
that
word.
What? No. The Lord is my shepherd.
I shall not want.
He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He let me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. Amen. Amen. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.